Hey everyone, it's Todd again. I'm doing a second video today on Acorns again. My last video was more about, an introduction to Acorns, how it works and stuff, but this time I decided to make a video on making money with Acorns. I've got a few people asking me questions about that, so I just decided to make a video of that to help you guys out. So, first of all, the first thing I wanted to show you guys was a good way that I made money lately was the monthly invite referral bonuses that are available. See, as you can see here, just last month in the middle of April, I got a Acorns bonus there of $540.54 that they dropped into my account. This was because I completed a referral bonus that they had available for that month. And how that works is actually the invite bonus challenge, if you will. It changes actually month to month, so that's always exciting. It's really neat to see a different challenge come up or a different award bonus pop up each month. The one that I did, which is actually, they decided to do the same one this month. Let me show you guys what that was. The bonus was $100,000 to share. Anybody who invites at least 5 friends to become an Acorn investor will split a $100,000 pot. So I was able to actually invite 5 people that month, and I was able to get a split of that $100,000. And that's really cool. It's a great way to make money. I've seen it be a lot of different amounts. Like one month I saw if you invite 10 people, it was just straight up $1,000 that they'll put into your account. I wasn't able to quite get that one. I've seen another one where it was invite 12 people, they'll put $1,200 into your account. I've seen others where I think 6 people, they'll put $600 into your account. I've seen one where the invite challenge was just if you're able, any person you invite, the usual referral bonus is doubled. So whenever you invite somebody to use Acorns and they successfully sign up, you and the person you invited each get $5. I've seen it one month where that was just doubled, so you and each person you invite get $10. It's always changing, so that's really exciting to me. All you got to do is when you invite somebody, you just send them the invite link that's in the app right there, like you see it at the bottom. So that's a really easy way to make a lot of money with a little bit of effort if you're able to do it. So I really encourage everyone to try and do that. The next one was the concept of dividends. If you're newer to investing, what a dividend is basically money that any owners of a company that you're invested in, they pay you a little bit of money for letting you, or for you investing into their stocks. So as you can see here, dividends come out every month. They usually come in smaller amounts, but hey, they add up after a while. You see there, 31 cents, 12 cents. You can see there 80 cents, 61 cents, 8 cents. Yeah, they come out every month, so it's really that really helps a lot too. Let me see here. If we scroll more towards the bottom, you can see they come out about every month there. Let's see here. $0.10, 26 cents. Keep going a little bit more. $1.60, 10 cents, 18 cents. $1.34, 64 cents, $1.04, 17 cents. So yeah, you're constantly getting paid in dividends, which definitely helps. And yeah, that's how you can make some money off of dividends there. The other thing I wanted to show you guys was the gains and losses. You don't just put money into this Acorns account and then get money from inviting people and dividends. You actually the app actually participates in the stocks. It buys and sells throughout the day. So as you get gains and losses, you make money off of that. And for the first year or more, it was a constant steady increase, as you can see there. But lately, here during the past month, let's see here, 3 months. You can see, yeah, it's been a little bit more rocky there. I'm not too sure why that is. The economy has just been a little bit more crazy lately. But honestly, the stock market, it's in history and stuff, it's constantly, it's constantly rose. So it's, as long as you stick with it, you're going to end up on top in the end. And this money here, it's directly linked to your bank account. You can deposit or withdraw from it at any time. No weird catch with that. It's free to do a deposit or withdrawal, no fees, nothing like that. And the last thing I want to show you guys is found money. And what found money is Acorns. They're partnered up with a lot of different companies. So if you shop with any of these companies by using an active session through the app here, anything that you purchase in that session there will be a percentage of that, or a set amount of that company will actually invest into your account. So a while ago, I actually I need to use this more. I don't always think about it, but I need to start using it more. I bought a pair of shoes from Zappos here. It's an online shoe store, and they actually invested 2% of that total purchase into my Acorns account, which was really cool. So I really encourage everybody to use this as much as they can. There's honestly any service, any sort of product you'd buy, you can probably find it on here. So I really encourage that. 1% of any eBay purchase will be put in your account, 1% of Walmart purchases, and you can buy almost anything you need from Walmart. Let me show you. There's a lot of them. Yeah, 1-800-Flowers. If you're ever getting flowers for Mother's Day, that they just got a set amount there. If you purchase from them, they'll invest $10 in your Acorns account. 24-Hour Fitness. I used to use 24-Hour Fitness. Okay. If you sign up with AT&T, it looks like they'll put $25 in. American Eagle, shop there, they'll invest money. Apple, Avon, Banana Republic. Yeah, there's so many companies that are actually partnered with Acorn. So if you shop with any of these guys, they'll invest money into there. So I encourage everybody to use this as much as they can. And one thing with that is you got to make sure, don't just go, if you're trying to do that, you can't just go to like beats.com, buy what you want and get it. You have to do it through the active session. You have to click on it'll tell you here how to do it. You have to click on on a link to the store through the Acorns app for that so it knows that you shopped with that company through the app. Yeah, there's so many stores and companies that do this. Blue Apron, Casper, Bye Bye Baby. If you're doing any baby shopping, buy some online, they'll invest some money in your account. Yeah, there's just so many stores that, yeah, look, it's ridiculous, honestly. Yeah, shop with any of these guys and they'll invest some money into your account. So really encourage everybody to use that. And those are really the main ways to make some money off Acorns. I've been really happy with it. I plan on to still use it for quite a while yet. If anybody's interested in giving it a shot, there's a invite code in the description of this video. Go ahead and take a look at that. If you're interested in knowing more on the details on how Acorns works, getting signed up and all that, go ahead and click the link to that video in the description as well. I'll also put a link at the end of the video here that you can click on and it'll bring you there. So if anybody has any questions, feel free to leave any comments. And thanks for watching, guys.
Go make that money.